On the occasion of 75th Independence Day, I convey my heartiest congratulations to all students, faculty members, staff and all employees of Amity University, Mumbai. The Day of Independence is a great day to remember our commitment to the nation for making this nation great and for ensuring that we continue our march towards global leadership, service to humanity with dedication, commitment and elan. Every Independence Day we must remember how we can contribute towards the growth of the nation. If an individual grows, the nation grows. And the individual grows by doing the duty that we are supposed to be doing most sincerely, by ensuring that the tasks that we are supposed to perform, we perform those tasks most sincerely, in a dedicated manner, with commitment, sincerity, and with our heart and soul put into it. The duty of all students is to study. And my dear students, you are lucky that in India, while you are doing your higher education, you are in a great university which is renowned not only in Maharashtra but in country. Your only job is to study, work hard, gain knowledge, get good jobs, or start your own businesses so that you can effectively contribute towards the growth of the country. As far as teachers are concerned, their job is to teach properly, to put in their heart and soul, to ensure overall growth and personality development of all students take place in the desired manner. The staff is to ensure that the university runs in a proper manner, that all services are provided to ensure that both students and faculty members can contribute by doing their job effectively and in an efficient manner. Each one of you is important. There is not a single person who is not important and who is not contributed towards national growth. To be law-abiding citizens is also a contribution towards national growth. Those who are paying taxes must pay the taxes in time and must pay the amount of tax that is due. By doing this, you are contributing towards the financial growth of the country, which is so much important in this age where finances do matter. Also on this occasion, I would like to remember the soldiers who have defended the country, our Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and other paramilitary services who have sacrificed their lives to make sure that you and me breathe today free air. We are free from the British rule and we are free in our thought, in our action and in our mind. I wish all the very best to all of you, and once again heartiest congratulations to all of you on this great occasion of our 75th Independence Day. Wish you all the very best. Jai Hind.